mystical beehive tombs of Old Dongola, Sudan. Old Dongola is a deserted town that once was the capital of the Christian Nubian kingdom of Makuria 70th 14th century. It features a citadel, a monastery, urban buildings, suburban residences, and cemeteries. Cemeteries like Islamic domed tombs from the 17th century. Islamic cemetery contains several massive mud brick, slightly pyramid-like Sufi saints' tombs. The city of Old Dongola was capital of the Christian kingdom of Makuria between the 7th and 14th centuries and home to dozens of churches.